So guys, as you can see, we transformed the bar to be into something more like a nice roofing with a table and a perfect view. So you can see here, very nice view overall over the hills and the yard. So that's how it looks now. And now it's just waiting for a pool in front of it. We have a nice grilling area here, bamboo growing, a fire pit, and that's the place. Well, I still need to make up my mind about this nice timber. I'm probably gonna make some shelves out of it or something else. Well, this is the place where I like to sit. You can do some working from around here. As you can see, I have nice electrical wiring here. We have the lights here at the top, we have the lights up front, and obviously when you sit here you have this beautiful view over here. So enjoying a glass of wine of our favorite brand, Moscato d'Asti. This is a slightly sparkling white sweet wine originating in Italy, and the dog enjoys the stay too. So these are the lampposts, and obviously the beautiful sculptures, as you can see. So that's how it looks from this side, guys. Very cool. And that's the hut at night, guys. So it looks kind of cool with the statues being lit up by the lights. Let me put on the light. There we are. if you like playing cards, having some nice conversation with friends or something, this is a cool place to stay, especially during summer. Although nothing beats the day views, day panoramas.